that cardio, eh? It's Wednesday. Today I have a WordPress task. This website recently started go down and up. So usually that's happened when WordPress or that plugins have updates. So what we have to do is we have to check on the admin panel. So let's see. Yeah, you can see there's update. Also we need to update these plugins as well. You can see there are some updates. So what we do now, normally we don't update plugins or WordPress on live site, just clicking that update button. What we do is set up the project on local, then update the WordPress and those plugins on local, then test it. If there is no issue, so we can deploy those changes to the live site. Yeah, I know PHP still exists. Yeah, I'm going to have my breakfast, but it's lunchtime. Hello. Left ID නැකන ඒකට දාගන්න single post single store item හරි single item කියලා හරි මොකක් හරි දාගත්තාම ලේසි. Okay, now I'm going to the town. So this work is done. On VS Code now we can create profiles. That feature comes with the latest update on VS Code, January update. Version 1.75. So you can switch between profiles in here. Go to the settings, go to those profiles, and you can switch between those profiles extensions. So like that. Wait, I will show. So this is my PHP project's profile. So you can see the theme also different, icons are different. This is material icons. This is different one, I can't remember that name. Dasha themes, file icon theme. W next. Oh yes. So you can try it, right? You can use this feature for the set up your VS Code for the specific task, specific language or something. Really useful one. You don't need to switch between accounts again. You can say use same account and create multiple profiles. It's like creating multiple ringtone profiles. yeah, something like that. You can even change the font sizes, and you can change terminal font size, everything. Yeah, this is my simple coffee app I have created using Flutter. So I'm going to add 5-way authentication for this app. Bye guys, see you in the next video. Yeah.